गुड मॉर्निंग JBN फैमिली। जो भी बात करूंगी दिल से करूंगी. There is no artificial presentation. It's the transformation journey that I'm going to share with you all. 7 years back, when I was all heartbroken, I had my divorce. That was the time I was extremely scattered. कि अब मैं क्या करूँ आगे? And that was the time I had to take care of my rent, of my expenses, and I started selling mitti ki bottle. I was doing my interiors, but that was my side business because I was already supporting my husband in the shop that we were running. Selling mitti ki bottle took care of my expenses. The second slide that shows that's my son Idant. So I used to go on Activa, deliver bottles. That took place for almost 6 months. And that was the time I decided I need to take admission in hostel for Idan for both our benefits. This was the time I could crack my first interior project. And that really gave me some confidence that okay, I can build my career again. This was the time I also enrolled myself in BNI because everyone said you need to have social network to grow, to expand. I was there for almost 8 to 9 months in that group and I just realized कि हमारे जैन community में ऐसा कुछ platform क्यों नहीं है? Because I was not very comfortable with BNI, I could not connect, I could not trust people. And in 2018, the very same, next year, I heard about JBN and I became the member of JBN. Sorry. So yes, when I came to know about JBN, that gave me a different kind of comfort. Being in Jain community, being people of same group, same era, it was really easy for me to connect with them. These are few pictures of me doing one-to-one. Rajesh ji hai, Karnawat ji hai, Mahendra ji hai. So yes, here I found my own confidence. I can definitely expand my business horizon. The very important life-changing episode that came in my life, like sir said, mentorship. So yes, even that time we had mentorship program and Chakorji Gandhi were my mentor. यहाँ से मेरी life 360 degree change होती है. So when I started mentoring them, I took the mentorship program with them. They said me one thing, Prachi तुमको क्या करना है? I said I want to break all my barriers. I was very closed, no confidence, and I wanted to come out of it because the kind of jerk and shock I already had, I wanted to come out of it. And I used to sell myself. I will do interiors of one washroom. I will do interiors of one BHK apartments. I can do anything and everything. This was my tagline. But actually, I wanted to do luxury interiors. So they just said me one single thing. कि अगर आपको luxury sell करनी है, पहले you have to be in that state. People have to believe in you. And you have to change 360 degree. I said, what kind of change? They said, it's not one single thing. It's just not about looks. It's about how you talk, how you walk, how you present yourself, how you believe in your own self, what is the quality of work that you're going to present. So yes, I started working on all those aspects. Also, health is extremely important. So if you relate me then and me now, everyone keeps asking me. So that's why I chose this as a topic for my 7 minutes presentation rather than showcasing my work, because my work everyone is seeing and I'm sure you all like it. Next slide. I'm sorry, unfortunately, this video is not playing, but I will definitely share on the group. This is my transformation journey, 7 years back, me and what I am today. Next. In the same time, I had a very beautiful platform, which is digital platform. And it took me years to come here. It's more than 2 decades, 20 years plus time that now I'm here. And it is very difficult for a designer to go and ask for help, which I tried in my past, but people were not open. So I thought, जो भी मैंने इन सालों में सीखा है, let me share it to the community, right? So I started making small reels. Whatever I could, I learned on my sites, or things which were difficult, I started sharing. And from 2,500 followers, today we are 1,40,000 plus followers. And with your love and support, it is still growing. Yes, that was about digital growth that I'm talking about. Next. Everything was going great, amazing, but still, the designs that we are working, we're really doing good. I believe I'm doing good. But still, there was one gap, and I don't know what was that missing link. And last year, Cubics gets its second parent, Mr. Sanat Shah. So yes, we were doing good with designs. We were doing really good with our projects. But if I want to expand, if I have to go to that level, to that range, I need a visionary. Yes, and he added up a lot of value in terms of finance, in terms of processes, and the second mentor for me now. आपने कोयला देखा होगा, कोयला देखा है? जब वो हाई प्रेशर में जाता है, वो क्या बनता है? नहीं, वो रॉ डायमंड बनता है. और रॉ डायमंड के बाद उसको तराशा जाता है. And this is what I am today. The process is still going on. It's not stopped. The values Mr. Sanat Shah has added. I'll be almost done. So we have set a very beautiful process when it comes to designing. यहाँ तक था मेरा journey. अब मैं बात करूँगी the process we are following. हमको लगता है as a designer we just have to do designs. But I think it's beyond that. When the kind of projects you do, when it's especially luxury projects, it's just not about design. It's the kind of experience you give it to your clients. It's the kind of process you follow. And this is what we have been following at Cubics. Every single day, we try and improve our processes. We try and improve what new can be done. And I'm working every single day hard to make myself better version of what I am today. And I really want to thank the entire JBN family to always support me, to always believe in me. And 2 days back, when it was open house, you all proved like you are really my JBN family, and really thank you for whatever love and support you guys have given to me. Thank you very much. And that's my team as of now, Cubics Global.